check. 2 p.m. Tagal-tagal pa. Kasi hanggang 7 p.m. tayo dito. And ayon sa weather, it's 93 degrees and no chance of rain. So, that's okay. Pero sobrang init. Bakit ko ginawa ito? Super hot. Kawawa naman si baby. Pero nasa loob siya ng truck. Ngayon, truck. Nasa loob ng sasakyan. Yes. Time check. 2:32 p.m. na umaga. It's so slow. Parang yung mga gutom lang ang pumunta dito kasi may mga stall na nagtitinda ng pagkain. Hindi naman pagkain tinitinda natin ngayon. Yes. Craft. It's craft. And right now, as in mga dalawang tao. 7, 8. Yun, ang tao ngayon dito. Kumakain sila. As in, walang katao-tao. Naantok tuloy ako. Pero, itong event na to is hanggang 7 p.m. Pero at maybe hanggang 6 lang kami ni baby. Kasi si baby at yung husband ko nasa loob sila ng sasakyan. Kasi sobrang init. 90 degrees. 93 plus. 93, 94 degrees. So, let's see kung may mabenta tayo. Wala pa akong nabibenta. Well, first time magbenta dito sa Amerika. Dito sa Tennessee. As in, pop-up. Pero, nagtitinda na ako na online. Pero, first time kong gawin itong pop-up market. Hindi tayo pinapansin masyado. Tayong sumuko. Just show up. Diba? Skin. Para makilala naman. Yun naman ang purpose ko dito eh. First time kong gawin to para alam nila na, uy, may ganito pala, may gumagawa pala ganito, ganyan. Then, add na lang sa Facebook. Yes, ganon. So, here's a little update about our very first pop-up market. After I finish recording the last clip, one by one other vendors started packing up. It was only around 3 p.m., but there were barely any visitors left. It was mostly just the vendors, sellers staying at the event. Around that time, I started feeling really dizzy and nauseous. I guess my 30-something body couldn't handle the extreme heat anymore. Thankfully, my husband took over and packed up our boot while I rested. Well, I stayed with my baby. I'm really grateful for his help. Even though it wasn't the outcome we were hoping for, I learned so much from this experience. Every first event is a lesson, I think, and now we know what works best for us. One thing we decided is that we'll probably skip outdoor events during extremely hot weather and focus more on indoor market instead. So for our next event, I'll definitely be more prepared, not just with our booth set up, but physically and mentally too. Have you ever joined a market or event before? What is one thing you wish you knew before your first one? Share it in the comments. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting our journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Say bye! Say bye! 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 You're looking at the... Say bye! Bye!